What's going on, guys? Crypto Renegade here for you. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the master plan that a billionaire has for Bitcoin. We are looking at Elon Musk and what plans does he have for the king of crypto, Bitcoin. For those of you who don't know, Elon Musk invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin in February 2021. And then we saw Bitcoin shoot for the moon with a price of 63,000. Let's take a look at Elon Musk's master plan with this crypto.
But you don't seem to be as bullish on Bitcoin. Do you have any, could you break down like why? Because you're talking about this big database that's more secure for faster transactions. It seems like Bitcoin's hitting at least some of those.
I'm neither here nor there on Bitcoin. Yeah.
But before I jump into the content, I just updated my new free ebook on the 7 best ways to secure your crypto, updated for 2021. It's 100% free. Check it out in the description, and it will also be pinned in the comments below. All right, let's get started. Now guys, one major fact that we have to mention is that Tesla sold some of its Bitcoin not so long ago for a value of $272 million. Let's not forget that Bitcoin went down $15,000 in the last month, hitting a low of 48,000, and now it's back at around 57,000. We have kind of a prediction for Bitcoin, and you are going to like what you're about to hear. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you do not lose another video with the latest news about crypto. So here we are facing the final bull run for Bitcoin, or is it? We have estimated that BTC will peak at around $100,000 by the end of 2021. People have been saying that since 3 years ago when Bitcoin hit 20,000 for the first time in 2017. And here we are now about to face that bull run that everyone was talking about at the very beginning of 2018. Remember back in May of 2019, the price of BTC was just about $6,000. Despite all the hopes, no one would have thought that Bitcoin's chart would look like this right now. With a price of $57,000, give or take, the $100,000 mark doesn't seem like an impossible illusion anymore.
Are you watching closely?
We are currently standing at more than half of the price for that moment after a correction. What will happen to send Bitcoin to 100K? Well, when this bull run happen or not happen, we don't know yet. And most importantly, what does Elon Musk have to do with it? One thing for sure, Elon Musk has some tricks up his sleeve that he hasn't quite revealed yet.
It bypasses currency controls.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. it's
well, and
paper money is going away.
Yes.
And crypto is a far better way to transfer value than pieces of paper. That's for sure.
Without a doubt.
He had Tesla's Q1 call a couple of days ago as of shooting this video. He has been looking to take Bitcoin to the moon for a while now, but only a few people know what is really going on here. Let's break it down for you. On your screen is a tweet from Square Crypto, which was posted last week. Quote, "If Bitcoin needs anything, it's more white papers. In this one, Square and ARK Invest team up to argue for Bitcoin as a key driver of renewable energy's future," with a link to the detailed white paper, which argues Bitcoin and crypto mining is an ideal complement for renewable generation and storage. It provides an alternative revenue source for entities and enterprises deploying renewable solutions across the globe, of which Jack Dorsey, CEO, tweeted, quote, "Bitcoin incentivizes renewable energy," close quote. And guess who's decided to cause a storm right after Jack? Well, it's Elon Musk himself, saying only the word true. He speaks in riddles, but if you pay attention, you will understand his game. He didn't just do a simple tweet to get likes and get retweets, as he's very cryptic. He is way too smart to do that. Every single one of his tweets is calculated very carefully. Another point to touch on, who was Square's white paper put out in collaboration with. Enter ARK Invest. And on the white paper, you will read, quote, "The Bitcoin Clean Energy Initiative has developed this short research paper as a starting point to share our vision for how Bitcoin mining, in conjunction with renewable energy and storage, is especially well suited to accelerate the energy transition." To complement this work, ARK Invest has contributed an open source model that demonstrates exactly how Bitcoin mining could augment these renewable and storage systems to supply a larger percentage of a grid's baseload energy demand for comparable or lower cost unit economics. This work is merely the beginning of what we hope will be a fruitful exploration of solutions to help usher in an abundant, clean energy future. ARK Invest is not just being mentioned as an authority. They are deep into the Bitcoin game. You don't know who ARK Invest is? Well, this firm is based in NYC and they deal with disruptive investment managements. Now, of course, they are into disruptive technology. The firm was founded by Cathie Wood in 2014. On the latest update in February 2021, the firm was managing more than $50 billion in assets. But what are the main assets in their portfolio? Since we're talking about Elon Musk, you can guess that one of their main assets is indeed Tesla. Just last month, ARK Invest was predicting the price of Tesla stock, and their predictions were, of course, very bullish. Maybe overly bullish. In fact, they said that they could be looking at Tesla's stock price to hit $3,000 or even $4,000 by 2025. In February, people discovered that ARK Invest boosted its GBTC shares by 2.14 million. This move brought the total investment of Bitcoin to 7.13 million shares in that company. It's another obvious sign that they are bullish about Tesla, Square, and Bitcoin altogether. And remember the latest IPO, Coinbase? May have heard of it. Well, let's just say that Cathie Wood decided to invest $246 million into the Coinbase IPO. Why would they be investing so much money into this IPO? Because ARK Invest knows exactly what they are doing. They are preparing a huge mix for their assets to hopefully send Tesla, Square, and Bitcoin to the moon and beyond. Cathie Wood tweeted recently about Bitcoin incentivizing green energy. She basically debunked the theory that mining Bitcoin is harmful to the environment. Quote, "In a research collaboration with Square and ARK researchers, they debunked the myth that Bitcoin mining is damaging the environment." Now the adoption of renewable energy is taking over really fast. And here we have another guy, Sam Corris, or known differently by his research name as Scorus ARK, that mentioned Tesla, Bitcoin also in this tweet. Quote, "Convergence alert, solar plus batteries plus Bitcoin equals what Tesla did for battery cost declines, Bitcoin mining could do for renewables." Sam Corris specifically mentioning Tesla in a tweet about batteries, solar, and Bitcoin. Things are looking very interesting here.
Society only tolerates one change at a time. First time I tried to change the world, I was hailed as a visionary. Second time, I was asked politely to retire.
So here's what we think is gonna happen this year. In late March, rumors started going around about Tesla opening their supercharging network for all electric vehicles, not just theirs. Once this happens, the Tesla app is going to get huge attention. They would have to update their app, but now we'll look at a big partnership between Tesla and Square in my prediction. Square can help those who aren't a part of Tesla's network with payment functionality. Now imagine for a second, Square being integrated within Tesla's app. But hold on a second, what does all of this have to do with Bitcoin? Enter Tesla's Powerwalls. For now, people know that Powerwall stores surplus energy and uses it to power your home appliances like air conditioners, and also charging your Tesla cars at home. Imagine these power walls being used to reroute some of that excess energy that they store and power sustainable crypto miners. First of all, this would give to the Powerwall providers another revenue stream. If this is going to happen, everything has to be integrated with crypto networks, and it is for sure that Tesla will take over this project to take it even one step further. Besides the functionality being implemented to power crypto miners, imagine the next version of the Powerwall having a Bitcoin miner built right within itself. And why would all of this happen? Let's go back to ARK Invest for a moment, which you thought we forgot about. One of their researchers, Brett Winton, also tweeted during the white paper release. He said, quote, "A solar battery system alone experiences decaying profitability as it attempts to accommodate a larger share of grid demand. Paired with a Bitcoin miner, however, the system can be effectively overpowered to hit baseload quality dispatch rates without hurting any system profitability." Close quote. Solar battery systems paired with Bitcoin miners? So we got Tesla pairing with Bitcoin miners regarding home solar battery systems? How does this really make sense? And this is not all happening for no reason. Zach Kirkhorn, the CFO of Tesla, has spoken for CoinDesk saying that Bitcoin is a liquid market with a very optimistic future. If our predictions are true and ARK Invest together with Tesla and Square are planning something big for this year, then Bitcoin at $100,000 is not sort of surprise of any kind anymore. People were apparently right in 2018 saying that Bitcoin might hit 100 grand, and now it's all unfolding. Isn't this pretty exciting? With all that being said, digest it for a bit. That was all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments your opinions below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in this next video in the top right corner here on what my #1 Polka project is. See you guys in that video. Crypto Renegade out.